Did you know that sprinting not only builds muscle, but can actually help you sleep better at night? Get ready to discover the surprising connection between high-intensity running and recovery. When you sprint, your muscles undergo intense contractions, triggering the release of growth hormones and endorphins. These natural chemicals work together to enhance muscle strength while promoting better sleep quality. But here's where it gets interesting. Many people struggle to maintain consistent sprint training due to motivation issues. The secret lies in active recovery. By incorporating light jogging between sprint sessions, you give your body time to repair while keeping your momentum going. This balance of high-intensity work and gentle movement helps prevent burnout and maintains your exercise motivation. Research shows that alternating between sprinting and active recovery can increase muscle strength by up to 20%, while improving sleep efficiency by 65%. What's your biggest challenge with sprint training? Share below.